Hi, today we're going to look at 7 technical analysis lessons we can learn from NVIDIA's stock chart. So we have here the daily chart of NVIDIA, and the first thing that we can see is that the stock has risen from 100 over to 700. And here's the technical analysis lesson number 1. First of all, you want to focus on stocks that are above their rising 200 MA. So this is the 200 MA. When the stock is above the 200 MA, that means it's long-term bullish, and breakouts, gaps, dips are buyable, and then there are breakouts. So it makes sense to focus on stocks that are above their rising 200 MA. And the second thing we can learn from NVIDIA is that we can buy continuation patterns. Here we have an ascending triangle in the stock, higher low, same highs, and when it broke out, this is a buy setup with a stop loss below. So it's always important to look for continuation patterns when the stock is in an uptrend. Now the third thing we can learn from this stock chart is that bullish crosses of the 20 MA above the 50 MA precedes a rise. For example, you see here there's a bullish cross, and not long after that the stock shot up. And we can see here, back here, when the 20 MA cross above the 50 MA, you have a nice rise. So many of the nice gains happen when there is a bullish cross. So if you see a stock having a bullish cross, you want to pay attention and maybe try and see if it can move up higher. The next lesson we can learn is that support areas are very important. In fact, they can help the stock from dropping. Here we have a support area, the lows here, and here is a gap up consolidation support. When the stock dropped to this area, it went back up. When the stock dropped back to this area, it went back up. So support areas are very important when the stock is in an uptrend. Now, the fifth lesson that we can learn is if you want to play momentum stocks, focus on stocks that are above their rising 20 MA. You can see when NVIDIA broke out of this ascending triangle, the 20 MA was rising nicely. And these are very bullish momentum stocks. And if you want to play momentum stocks, focus on stocks that are above their rising 20 MA. Here, we have the stock trading sideways and the 20 MA is flat, but once it started to rise, the stock shot up. And number 6 is every short-term uptrend begins with a 60-minute bullish cross. So from daily chart, we go to the 60-minute chart, and you can see NVIDIA shot up very nicely, bullish momentum, but look, before it happened, there was a bullish 20 MA cross above the 50 MA. And after that, the stock went up nicely. Now, the last lesson we can learn is when a stock is in a short-term uptrend, you want to buy short-term breakouts. What are short-term breakouts? So we have identified this bullish cross. Stock is trending up. You can actually look for sideways trading. For example, here, this is also sideways trading. You can buy the breakout above the consolidation, buy the breakout. Here is another sideways trading. You can buy the breakout. And actually here is another sideways trading as well, but a much larger one. You can buy the breakout and put a stop loss below the boxes. If you buy the breakout here, stop loss here. So sometimes it's good to study the chart And if you learned something, do like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.